Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove category label on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom navigation bar. Now tap on the Edit Profile option. Here scroll down, and you will see the Profile Display option. Tap on it. Tap on the toggle button and disable the display category label. Now tap on the tick mark on the top right of your screen. Again, tap on the tick mark. And you will remove the category label on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to delete the category label on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.